Good morning, everyone. This is your weather hazard briefing for Saturday, January 27th. The key points for today, we're looking at pretty low impacts. We'll see light rain and snow across some of our areas today and tomorrow. And then we'll also be dealing with pockets of fog and stratus throughout the weekend, potentially even into early next week. And then after that, high pressure will continue to strengthen, and we're looking at drier and warmer weather through late next week. Here's a current look at satellite imagery. Right now, we don't have any fog out there, but you can see in blue here some lower stratus in the Island Park region. Otherwise, we do have mid and upper level clouds filtering in with that upper level flow. Our weather risk outlook for the next several days, again, pretty low impacts. The fog might actually end up being the most impactful thing for travel, depending on where that does end up setting up. But the Central Mountains will receive the most precipitation, and that will fall as rain and snow over the next couple days, and to a lesser degree, the Eastern Mountains. And even as early as late tonight, the Snake Plain, Magic Valley, and further south across the Southeast Highlands could see some very light rain and snow as our temperatures drop. And again into tomorrow, but that will be strictly rain for those areas. So we're not looking at any real organized precipitation, especially further south, but a few raindrops, a few flurries aren't out of the question. And then high pressure will really strengthen Sunday into Monday. So after that, we're looking at dry conditions, but still a continuation of chances for that patchy fog overnight. Our snowfall amounts, very modest. We're looking at 1 to 3 inches for most of the Central Mountains, pushing closer to that 6 or maybe even slightly higher inch range for the spine of the Sawtooth, are the highest elevations of the Central Mountains. And then generally just an inch or so for the Eastern Highlands. Our high temperatures for today, we're looking at widespread upper 30s to low to mid 40s. Our temperatures for tomorrow, that increased cloud cover that we'll have around will keep our overnight temperatures well above normal. And then for our highs tomorrow, many areas will warm into the 40s, with the Magic Valley potentially even seeing 50. And then temperatures for Monday, fairly stable lows, pretty similar to tomorrow's. But for our highs, more of us will see 40s as we continue to warm through the middle of next week. And after that, even as temperatures start to trend lower, the latter half of next week, we'll still be running above normal. So for our 6 to 10 day temperature outlook, we're still in that above normal range, with also above normal precipitation for our outlook. And then for continuing into the first week of February, we'll likely see a transition to a cooler pattern, but we'll still have that near normal to above normal precipitation. So that's all we've got. Again, we're just expecting light rain and snow over the next couple days. Pockets of fog and stratus each night and morning could impact travel. And after that, we're looking at dry and warmer conditions through mid to late next week. As always, if you have any questions or comments, don't hesitate to reach out. We appreciate you listening, and have a wonderful weekend.